Hello, Mr. Tomlinson in your class. I want to show you guys how to use Google Drawings to make some cool poster type images. So I was having trouble with Chrome, so I'm going to go through Safari. I found it worked a little bit better. So Safari up here, you're going to search Google Drawings. Go. Okay, so this first one, we want it Google Drawings. When you log in, it's probably going to ask you to sign in if you haven't already, so sign in. And then now you see this background, this checkered background is it's like your original piece of paper. So what are you going to put on it? Click up, insert, and you're going to click image. If you have something you've already saved, like a picture, you can use that. If you want to click search the web, I like to start with the background. Okay, so I will pick a color. I'm gonna pick pink because just why not? You just highlight or hold it. Come on, hold, drag. Okay, and then, so I am not very patient with this stuff to make it stretch out. You're gonna wanna, come on, stretch, stretch. Nope, I can't stretch this out. There it goes. And what is this? Oh, let's undo. So it's back arrows, it's undo. There we go. Let's get off of that. Now, can I stretch this larger? I don't know why I can't. But you have more patience than I do. Whoa, sounds crazy. But there you go. So what will be shown is what's going to cover the checkerboard in the background. Okay, so there we go. So pink, and then maybe I want to look up turtle, because why not? Oh, look at this little turtle. This is cute. How about the water one? Bam, that's a big old picture of a turtle. So let's talk about this turtle. I'm going to hit the X so that stuff goes away. Now this is my space. I want to show you some cool things first. So look at about 5.5. So between the 5 and the 6 on the top, the measurement bar up there, that little tiny triangle, that is magic. Click it. And now you can turn whichever picture you have highlighted. Right now it's a turtle. You can tell it's highlighted because it has the blue around the edges. We're going to change the shape. And maybe I want my turtle to be in the shape of, I don't even know, let's try this. So now do you see how it cut off the edges? Kind of cool. You might say, yeah, I don't really like that. Let's make it kind of round so it looks like an aquarium. You tap off of it and then now it has that shape. So you can decide whatever, if you want to make it, maybe you really like just the shell pattern. Whoa, oh, I turned my background, see, my bad. So because I had the pink touched instead of the turtle, it changed the color of the pink. So don't get frustrated when that happens, just click your back arrow. Okay, so now I made sure I have my turtle highlighted. I want to go to arrows. There, so now I have this little arrow. Okay, not that exciting. Well, it is, but let me show you even more cool stuff. So now make sure the turtle is still highlighted, which it is. Format options above the 8. Now over here, let's say adjustments. Maybe I want to move the brightness. And this you have to be patient on. On a computer, it's faster. But I could change how bright it looks, so I want it, okay, I'm not that patient. But when you're patient, it'll get brighter, it could get darker. You can make it a little bit more see-through if you want with transparency. These are cool, recolor. I could change the whole, it should, looks like it's lagging a bit on my end. Computer, it works better, but iPad it will work, and I don't know why mine's so slow, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, so then you're back here. Maybe you like your patient. Here's our little turtle, and now we want to have words. So text box, just like you would in other things. There you go. Let's close that out, and then from there you could type Hello. Right? So this whole thing could be, I saw you guys doing your posters with theme. Like you can go and put different images on there to make your poster. You have spring break, so it could just be something fun to work on. And I don't know why. I wish, oh, let's talk about one thing. We do want to layer. So see how I clicked this? We want to make sure, here, let me click the pink because we want to make sure our pink in order, arrange order, we want to make sure it stays back. So it might just, okay, do you see the turtle just now change colors? If you wanted to bring the pink to the front, it would cover everything. And then you'd say, it's broken. No, it just went out of order. So click that, and we want to say send to back, pink. There, and now that's in the back. And I can even adjust the color of the pink. So see how I have the pink highlighted? Format, maybe I want my pink, I don't know, less bright, a little darker. It should be less bright. So as you just saw, mine has a delay and I'm not very patient, but you could layer pictures, you could do whatever you want, and it's pretty cool. And then save it so Mr. Tomlinson knows what your theme turtle poster or whatever you are calling it, and then you can turn it into Classroom like you normally would with the little Shero up there, or do whatever you want. I look forward to seeing them.